Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file taxes in Canada. First, gather all your essential documents. This includes income slips like T4s, T4As, and any other relevant tax forms. Also, collect receipts for any deductions or credits you plan to claim, such as medical expenses or charitable donations. Make sure your social insurance number is handy for the process. Next, decide how you want to file your return. Many Canadians use NetFile certified tax software, which is convenient and often guides you through the process. If your tax situation is more complex, a professional tax preparer can offer expert assistance. Alternatively, you can still file a paper return by mail if you prefer. Now, it's time to complete your tax return. Carefully enter all income information from your T4s and other slips into your chosen software or form. Be sure to claim every eligible deduction, like RRSP contributions, to lower your taxable income. Don't forget to apply for all applicable tax credits to reduce the amount of tax you owe. Finally, submit your completed tax return by the deadline to avoid penalties. If you're filing online, you'll receive a confirmation number. Remember to keep all your supporting documents, like receipts and slips, for at least 6 years in case the CRA requests them. Soon after, you'll receive your notice of assessment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.